Topic 1. School life.
Do you sit in the first row of the class?
No, I sit in the middle row because it's more fun.
Does your teacher always explain everything clearly?
Yes, she explains things well, but sometimes she goes too fast.
Do you enjoy doing your homework?
No, I don't enjoy it, but I like learning new things.
Do you help your friends with their studies?
Yes, I help them because we share our notes.
Do you always finish your assignments on time?
Yes, I always finish on time because I don't like stress. Topic 2. Food.
Do you eat junk food every weekend?
Yes, I eat junk food, but only on Saturdays.
Does Mom cook your favorite dishes often?
Yes, she cooks my favorite dishes when I ask her nicely.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food. It burns my tongue.
Do you always eat dessert after dinner?
Yes, I always eat dessert because I love sweets.
Do you drink smoothies or sodas more often?
I drink smoothies because they are healthier. Topic 3. Hobbies.
Do you play the guitar every evening?
Yes, I play the guitar, but only for fun.
Do you paint pictures in your free time?
Yes, I paint, but I'm not very good at it.
Does reading books make you happy?
Yes, reading books makes me happy because I love stories.
Do you join any hobby clubs at school?
No, I don't join any clubs, but I want to try.
Do you watch YouTube videos to learn new skills?
Yes, I watch YouTube videos because they are helpful. Topic 4. Technology.
Do you use your phone all day?
No, I don't use it all day, but I use it a lot.
Does your laptop work fast?
Yes, my laptop works fast because it's new.
Do you download many apps on your phone?
No, I don't download many apps. I only keep the useful ones.
Do you charge your phone before going to sleep?
Yes, I charge my phone every night because it dies quickly.
Do you prefer using a tablet or a computer?
I prefer using a tablet because it's easy to carry. Topic 5. Friends.
Do you talk to your friends daily?
Yes, I talk to them every evening after school.
Does your best friend visit our house often?
Yes, she visits, and we study together sometimes.
Do you go to the mall with your friends?
No, we don't go to the mall because we prefer the park.
Do you share secrets with your friends?
Yes, I share secrets with them because I trust them.
Do your friends help you with your problems?
Yes, they always help me because they care about me. Topic 6. Travel.
Do you like traveling to new places?
Yes, I love traveling because it's so exciting.
Does Dad plan our trips? Do you pack your...
Yes, Dad plans everything, and he does it perfectly.
Do you pack your own bags for trips?
Yes, I pack my bags, but I always forget something.
Do you take lots of pictures while traveling?
Yes, I take lots of pictures to remember the moments.
Do you prefer mountains or beaches?
I prefer beaches because I love the ocean. Topic 7. Family.
Do you always help Mom in the kitchen?
Yes, I help her, but only with easy tasks.
Does Dad tell funny jokes at dinner? Do you...
Yes, he tells jokes and they make us laugh.
Do you play board games with our cousins?
Yes, I play board games, but they always win.
Do you visit Grandma every weekend?
Yes, we visit her, and she always gives us sweets.
Do we fight a lot as siblings?
Yes, we fight, but we always make up quickly. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed our brother-sister quanda in simple present tense. Now it's your turn. Challenge yourself. Watch my playlist, and in just 10 days, you can master all tenses. Don't forget to check out the playlist link in the description. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more. See you soon. Bye. Thank you for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed our fun quanda session. These topics are a great way to practice the simple present tense in your daily life.